The 52-week course is here. The best property education course ever created in the entire UK. It has been brought to you by me, an active property developer. 52 weeks of learning. Every single week you will receive a video on a topic about your property journey from A to Z. Once a month you get to meet up with me and come around my sites. And then on top of that, you get a monthly Zoom directly with me and the group to ask any questions that you guys need answers to. 52 weeks of the best property education in the UK today. Daily gang, scaffolding is down. Coming to the end. Kitchen's being delivered next week. Smiling again. I'm happy. Taking control. That's what it's all about. It's been a great morning. Been down the road, had a conversation with the guys. Hopefully we've got the neighbours happy as well now. So if you go down there and have a look what was there before, Phil, please. I'm about to show you what the issue is. The issue is that there. The scaffolding poles, the three of them on the right hand side, as you can see, are leaning into, I mean, it's not touching the property there, it looks like it is, but it's not. And then the other two are leaning over. Now have no scaffolding encroaching the neighbours. So what's left to do with the neighbours is their fence, which I'm going to get them a whole new fence erected at my expense, just to make people smile. Yeah, come inside and take a look. Sorry guys, yawning. Kitchen's being delivered next week to be fitted. We've had a leak in there which has been stopped and sorted. I'm having the stairs fitted on Friday in here, I think it's Friday. All the doors have been installed now. So it's literally the stairs, the bathroom and the kitchen and the flooring, and we're done. Good to go. Get this one over the line. Get that one at the bottom of the road over the line. Get all of the shit tied up from last year, and then we can move forwards happily, smiling. Yeah, because everything that I'm doing and all the projects that I've taken over have come to an end. Got a great project manager in Manchester who's dealing with the one in the village for us. Quote come back yesterday or today. Dan, when's the quote come back for that one?
Well, I've messaged this morning.
Okay.
It should be today.
Okay, full quote will be over today, so get that one over the line. I've got 4 projects that are annoying me that I need to get over the line, and you know what? I'm not actually bothered what they cost now. I'm just gonna get them done because they're just stressing me out, and I want them gone. And when I say stressing me, that's the wrong word to use. They're not stressing me because I don't let it stress me, but they're just a pain. There's something that I need to get finished over the line, and watch how quick they get finished now that I am taking control of them. I feel like I have an entourage. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's like the Backstreet Boys reunion. On to the next one. She has kindly invited us all down to film a video on her latest property project. She came to one of our events in Leeds, and then she went and had a conversation with a friend of hers, and 3 weeks later she had the keys for this property. She bought it at auction, cash purchase, with the refurb, the fees, purchase price and everything. She said that she's in for around, and we beat that out because the video's in
is coming out. When's this video out, do now?
I don't know. Probably this weekend anyway.
You reckon this weekend?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not going to tell you the price. I'm not going to tell you the profit or the end value that she's expecting it to be. But what I will show you is just some little things that are quite impressive. One is the knockout for the steel. So if you come here, that's pretty. Now, Meg,
Yeah.
have you put the TV on that wall?
Yes.
And then the sofa's going to go.
I'm assuming sort of like a big sofa here, a small chair there, scattered plug sockets everywhere so they can have like sort of dim lighting rather than the other options, obviously spotlights throughout, but I thought people quite like mood lighting, some lamps, that kind of thing. But yeah, I've put all the cabling there so it's hidden, so they can have a wall mounted TV.
Because most people would walk in and expect this somehow
Yeah.
to be your main wall. So when I saw that, that was pretty cool because it'll give a different type of layout in here. She had a problem with that window. The lintel, and there was a crack, 1 centimetre crack in the lintel, there's no lintel.
There was no lintel above that downstairs bay window, so there was a big crack in the upstairs bedroom directly above it, where the brickwork was being supported on the PVC windows rather than any supporting lintel. So a huge job was taking down the intermediate brickwork bit by bit, scaffolding up, taking the window out, putting a lintel in, and then rebuilding that. So that was sort of a cost that I knew I had to factor in when I viewed the property and saw the crack. A lot of people thought the house had subsidence, so it put them off. But I immediately sort of looked at it and thought, A, there's no way the ground's amazing around here. But B, yeah, I saw the crack and sort of knew straight away what was going on.
Tell them what you used to do, what you did for a little bit.
So I was a structural engineer, so I studied that for 4 years and then worked for a couple of years doing that. So I think having that construction knowledge really helped, you know, in property. It gave me such an advantage when I was viewing the houses, things that other people might find scary. It just, yeah, it wasn't. I already had that knowledge and understanding when I viewed it.
Yeah, so she didn't just come on site and make that assumption. She didn't see that and there was like definitely no subsidence, the ground around here is not in that condition. She knew certain things from a previous experience. Guys, take a look at the staircase. Do you think she should replace it or do you think she should decorate that to make it look nicer? So we'll do a little tour of the house and we'll show you that. Comment below, let us know. Does she replace the stair spindles and whatever's there now? I don't even know what it's called now. What is that called?
Is it just chipboard?
Chipboard or something? Or does she leave it? Replace or leave?
I'm hoping it comes back in fashion.
Yes, maybe.
One day.
Right, so this is the living room. TV's on the wall there. We come here, she's replacing the door. She's having a new front door, obviously. And then this is the $1 million question, guys. Does she replace this and the one upstairs? Or does she decorate it to make it look nice? I don't know. Come upstairs, take a look at this. So here we go again. Another one. What do you think I said? What do you think I said to her that she should do? So we have 3 bedrooms. Are we leaving white or are you going chrome or are you just...
No, I'm just keeping them white.
She's keeping them white. So we have the box room in here. Then this could be the master, is it?
Yeah.
This is the master, pardon me. Just had a coffee, sorry. She's done something I don't like. Oh, what do you think she's done that I don't like? Me personally. Plastering here is awesome. The plasterer seems like they're on the ball, and bathrooms are really nice layouts. So yeah, keeping it, aren't you? Keeping the property.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just keep it. And it's a nice street as well. Very clean.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. You was on the run street, wasn't you, Phil?
I was, yeah.
He's part on the run street. And this is her first project as well. Do you think this is going to be something you can see yourself doing for a long time?
Yeah, absolutely. It's something I just want to keep doing and keep investing in, keep putting more money in. I just think it's the most safe investment that you can, it's the best thing you can put your money into, is property. I love it. I really enjoy doing it. It's a proper passion of mine now. So I've got the bug, 100%.
And she project managed this herself, as in individual trades, which again is pretty impressive. How long was it taking to get to this stage?
I got it at the beginning of October.
Okay,
So this is like month 4.
Yeah.
I'm anticipating 5 to 6. So just the last touches. The garden needs some work, and then getting it listed and getting it rented out. So sort of end of March.
Nice. Right, I'm about to shoot a full YouTube video on this now, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Most confident person we've had on the channel ever, I think, without a shadow of doubt. So me, Dan, and Isabella went to London. We took cruise. It was the first time he's ever been to London. When was it?
Just before Christmas.
Just before Christmas, and we went to Rolex to just speak to them. And as we walked out, there's a watch company called Vacheron Constantin, if I've pronounced that correct, because normally you've got to say like a French accent or something, which I can't do. Do you want to have a go?
No.
And there's a watch that I've been wanting for a very long time. This watch is really difficult to get, by the way. And I just put my head in. Me and Dan and Isabella walked in, and I was like, "Can I put my name down for it? Is it open?" And he was like, "Yes, it's open." And then he proceeded to go to the back and actually bring one out. And he was like, "This is for a customer, unfortunately, but you can have a look at it, see if you still want it." And I was like, "Yes." And then I put my name down on the register, and he said to me, "Give me 6 to 8 months. 6 to 8 months, and we should have one in stock." I've never bought from this brand before. He's just texted me saying, "Hi Stephen, how are you? There's one in store for you tomorrow or today if you want to come collect it." So yeah, that's a big thing. So tomorrow it looks like we're going to London. Happy days. So today has been an incredible day. I had a lot going on with developments, completions, and we got to go and see the house just, which is pretty cool. It's really nice when people reach out wanting us to come down and film to showcase what they've done. So it's been a really good day. Met up with some really cool people that I have in my circle, so that's always fun. Tomorrow's going to be a day at the office, all day at the office. Got a lot of filming, but I do have a special collection as well tomorrow in the afternoon, which is going to be really cool. Everyone's smiling, everyone's happy, everyone's in a great mood. My team are on a high, and I get to go home early today to see my son and my Isabella, which is very cool. I'll be home by 6 o'clock today. So, daily gang, I'm going to end it here. And keep smiling, keep dreaming big, get yourself around the right people, and you know what, get out of that 9 till 5. Too many people are messaging me saying that they hate the jobs. Well, get out, figure it out, deal sourcing, get into property some way, just take action and do something. So from today's video that I'm putting out on the weekend, and from that girl we've just been filming with, Megan, she took action. So yeah, take action, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.